I really enjoyed my time at Rowville Secondary. I had some great teachers, some great mentors for myself. And the best thing about it was just rocking up to school every day with your best mates. And I think as you get older, that's probably something that you do start to miss a little bit. And especially when everyone starts to go into the professional world.
From U10 RSA, who is your biggest influence in your career?
The biggest influence in my career has definitely been my parents. They've obviously been there from the beginning. They've been a great support system for myself throughout the years. It was obviously extremely tough early on, being drafted to Fremantle and playing on the other side of Australia and sort of starting a new life. So, you know, they were always there to support me. I've had great junior coaches throughout. Obviously, the great man, Darren Buick, was a massive help for me in under 18s to get me where I am today. My biggest achievement on a personal note in my footy career has probably been winning the Scott West Most Courageous Award in 2018. It's something I try and model my game on a lot, try to inspire my teammates around me, and there's so many momentum swings in games, so if you can inspire your teammates to go that little bit harder, it's obviously going to help towards winning. So that was probably my proudest achievement so far on a personal note. If I could give any advice to current students at the moment, it would be just make the most of your opportunity. I was pretty lucky to be able to go from year 12 straight into footy, but we've always got to have backup plans. And here at the Western Bulldogs, every single player on our day off either does university or does some sort of trade. So it's extremely important to work as hard as you can to put yourself in the best position possible. Remember, at the end of the day, if things don't work out, maybe at school, things can always get better as you go on. So don't try to put yourself under too much stress, just really enjoy yourself and work hard.